Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore two powerful widgets that play a key role in creating flexible and responsive layouts in Flutter, the Flexible and Expanded Widgets. Understanding the flexible and expanded widgets is essential for designing layouts that adapt to various screen sizes and orientations. Let's dive right in. First, let's clarify what flexible and expanded widgets are. Flexible and expanded are Flutter widgets used to control how space is distributed among their children in a flex container, such as row or column. They enable you to create layouts that expand or shrink based on available space. Let's start with the flexible widget. Here's a basic example of a flexible widget in your Flutter code. A flexible widget lets you specify the flex factor, which determines how much space it should occupy relative to other flexible widgets within the same parent. It's a way to control the distribution of available space. Now, let's look at the expanded widget. Here's a basic example of an expanded widget in your Flutter code. An expanded widget automatically occupies the available space within a flex container. It's a way to make a child widget fill the remaining space. Let's explore the flex property further. In both flexible and expanded widgets, you can set the flex property to control how space is distributed. Higher flex values take up more available space, while lower values take up less. You can use flexible and expanded widgets in row and column layouts. These widgets are ideal for creating responsive designs, especially when you need widgets to adapt to different screen sizes. They ensure that your layout remains flexible and well organized. In conclusion, flexible and expanded widgets are your allies for building responsive layouts in Flutter. They give you the power to create user interfaces that adapt gracefully to varying screen dimensions. With a solid understanding of flexible and expanded widgets, you're equipped to create adaptable and responsive Flutter apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!